This is Chris Lavin from Xtreme Polishing Systems here with Mr. Bill Waters today.
How you doing today, Chris?
I'm doing great. How are you doing, Bill? We are at our headquarters here in Pompano Beach, Florida at 2200 Northwest 32nd Street, and we are in the COO's office here, where we have put in this beautiful powder-coated three-dimensional logo, which was made for us by Gianni out in Las Vegas, my buddy that makes all our magnetic plates for the bottom of our grinders. And we made this 2 years ago, inset it into the concrete out there.
Yeah.
And you want to tell them what we did with this?
All right, so far what we've done, we've come in, taken the carpet up, we cut the floor, we cut down into the metal, we took all the concrete out. Then we poured in 2 inches of concrete, self-leveling, true. And then the next step we did was we brought the plate in. We pre-poured the plate first. Then we brought the plate in and we put it in the ground and we level it out. Then we re-poured again. So now what we have here is we have a bar top epoxy, the new bar top epoxy that we're starting to sell right here. It's very clear. It's supposed to be a very good product for the products. We're just testing it out right now here in our own facilities just to make sure everything's right.
Yeah. So this actual piece of metal here is 1.25 inches in depth, and the first pour we did actually had about 1 inch of the
material. Yes.
Yeah, it's a cast resin. It's non-yellowing. It's UV stable. It's very clean material to work with. It's very liquidy.
Yeah, very liquidy. So you got to have a real level working feel, otherwise it will run right off. We found that out through trial and error here.
Yeah, we had a hole in the bottom of this, so we lost a lot of material on the first go around. Yeah. This material takes 24 hours to set up. 24 to 48. It all depends on the temperature. They say you don't have to take a torch. Usually most products, bar top materials, you have to torch the bubbles out. They say you don't have to do it with this product, but it does take additional time to dry because so it doesn't amber. They've had to take some products out so the product will slowly cure. It's a very cold, slow cure product. That keeps the bubbles out.
Right, it keeps the bubbles out.
So this material is now been brought up to the level of the rest of the floor. We're at about 1.5 inches of material that's been poured in here, and now we're going to do our new heavy metal series of flakes. This is our aluminum, which is this piece right here. This is what we're going to do the floor with today. You get a close-up shot of that. It's a very three-dimensional look. These are very lightweight flakes. This is aluminum. And then here's some of our copper series that we have. We have gold and we have other colors that are available, and you guys are going to see this on the website here in the next week.
And they're actually made out of metal. That's they're not flake or glitter. They're actually metal shavings. So they're very heavy. They'll sink to the bottom of the floor, and the resin will rise and leave you a nice glossy finish like we have on our pieces here.
Yeah. So this is what the whole floor is going to be. After we do this, we're going to come back. We're going to put a clear coat over the whole entire floor.
Yes, we are.
So we got our friend over here, our Jamaican friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Respect.
Respect.
Peace up.
Anyways, we're going to pour this right now.
Yes, we're just getting ready. We're going to use a 1/4 inch notch. You can do it with smaller notches. We want to make the floor resin rich. Like I said before, the metal will sink to the bottom, the resins will raise to the top. Should leave us a nice high gloss finish, which is what we're looking for.
Yeah, we're going to drop this at 30 feet per gallon.
Yes.
Here finally, now we only have the metal with the resin stirred up, waiting for applier process. So waiting for Bill now to say go, then I drop the hardener, and then we can go ahead and pour this beautiful floor that I'm going to put down right now. That's how I do it, okay?
And Jerome's already wearing his sunglasses, okay?
Because I know it's going to pop, you know, so I got to get my shades on, so I'm going to protect my eyes first, you know, so let's go. So look at it now. This is just the resin.
Tell them what we put in there, Jerome.
We only put resin, like we got a kit with 3. So we got 2 of the resin. This is the hardener, the B. Get it hard. The resin looking like this. We all know the epoxy resin already, but I'm still showing you guys.
Color coded.
Right, so A. Put 2A, and 1 pound of metal glitter per kit per gallon.
Per gallon. So there's 3 pounds in there.
So 3 pounds in 3 kits. So that's what I'm gonna pour right now. So.
now, we're putting our glitter down on our floor. We're doing metal shape, real metal.
Where we gonna put it?
Give me some more color.
It's a hard to do.
You see, it's still got the dark spot. You got more?
Yeah.
Our rock stars, heavy metal today.
You're only going to use one bucket of flakes, sir.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, I like the sound of that.
There you go, Danny. What's that?
How many people in this office?
This is 225 square feet roughly. Yeah.
And now we do the flakes, right?
A lot of flakes are going to be sticking out of here. I wouldn't be too concerned about your roll marks. I think those are going to disappear. Got many chickens in his day.
When I retire, I will be working for Purdue. And you don't take a lot at a time. When you're throwing, you just want little handfuls. If you take too much, it'll all clutter and you get lumps. You want to be able to float it out there. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a little. You see how I'm feathering it?
I'll call you back.
Alright, so Bill's finally doing the final flake on this floor. We're going to come and we're going to clear coat it tomorrow. If you guys like what you see here, subscribe to my videos here on YouTube. Become a fan of ours, like our page on Facebook at Xtreme Polishing Systems. And go to our website and shop. And you can buy all these materials on the website. All the flakes are there. This is a new heavy metal line. This is going to be available for sale the 1st of next month. If you have interest, call the number down below. If you want to get a small little piece of sample sent out to you, we're more than happy to do that, which will help you sell to your customer. Once again, thanks a lot for joining us, and you guys have a great day out there.